Hello viewers, welcome to Soft Canvas. Thank you for joining us today. Today I am going to make beef biryani, which is very delicious and traditional Indian food, which is very renowned now around the world. So to make beef biryani, I have taken like 3 pounds of beef here, um, bone and meat mixed together. For that, I have taken a pan and it's on high temperature. I'm going to add 1.5 cup of cooking oil, and I will fry 2 large onions that roughly chopped. So let's fry onions first. Okay, so the oil is now warm. I'm gonna put this, and this is a requested recipe today that I'm making. Some of the subscribers that requested me to show how I personally cook this beef biryani myself, so that's why I'm sharing this today. Alright, so you see that onion is already golden brown in color. I'm going to take out half of the portion of fried onion, and the rest I will leave to cook beef. So spread half of the fried onion so that it becomes dried and crunchy. And then rest of the onion that I already have on the pot, I'm going to add 1 cup of onion paste. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of garlic paste. Uh, 2 tablespoons ginger paste. Now I'm going to add these whole spices: bay leaf, cinnamon stick, some cardamom, some cloves, and some black pepper. Just give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add cumin powder, 2 teaspoons. Half teaspoon garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Give it a good mix. So I have like 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon javitri powder, and 3 teaspoons of biryani masala that I'm going to add now. So now I'm going to add meat with the spices. Now I'm going to cover this for around 5 to 7 minutes so that the water will release from the meat inside and cook within it. Alright, so after 7 minutes, let's see how it looks like now. You see that water released from meat and then it's cooking. So in this stage, I'm going to add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Give it a good mix. And after that, I'm going to add like 3 cups of water and cover it and cook for 20-25 minutes. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water and cover it for 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, if you want, you can stir it. Alright, so after 20 minutes, you see that the beef is cooked really well, but in the meantime, I already checked it. It's not properly cooked yet, so I'm going to add another 3 cups of water. And cover it for another 20 minutes. Alright, so after another 20 minutes, let's see how it looks like now. It looks good. Beef is already tendered, so it's cooked well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some plum and some green chili. So these plums taste so good. It tastes like sweet and sour kind of pickle. Cover for like 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to cook rice. Alright, so I'm going to cook 5 cups of basmati rice that I soaked into water for about half an hour. And I have 15 cups of water because I'm cooking 5 cups of rice, so it's like 3 times. And wait until this is boiling. And I'm going to add some garam masala, whole garam masala here, some bay leaf, some cardamom, cloves, black pepper and stuff. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of salt. So this is for rice. And wait until this is boiled and then I will add rice. Alright, so water is boiling and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of whole cumin seed and I will add rice. Okay, just give it a good mix and then I will cook these around 70% and then strain the water. Alright, so like after around 10 minutes, you see that beef is cooked really well. At this stage, you need to make sure that if it is not cooked well, you need to put some more water and make sure it's cooked. So I checked this and it is cooked well and you see that oil is separating out. So it is the good time that I'm going to add rice and beef together. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so on the pot I have some potatoes that I'm going to roast here, and then I'm gonna start mixing rice and beef. Alright, so here you see that I have 70% cooked basmati rice, 5 cups, and I'm going to mix it with beef and rice and with other spices now. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add some meat at the bottom. Add some potatoes, that roasted potatoes. Just spread it evenly. And then I'm going to add rice, spread it. Then some fresh coriander, some mint, some green chilies, fried onion, and meat. Cover this with meat. And cover with leftover rice. One and a half cup of milk, and I have some saffron on it. So I'm going to spread this. Little bit of orange food color, it's optional. If you want, you can avoid it. Clarified butter or ghee, like around half cup. Onion and cover it for around 25 to 30 minutes and do not open the lid at this time. Temperature is a little over than low. All right, so after 25 minutes, we need to give it a good mix. You see that? The color, the smell, oh my God, it's so good. The whole house is like smell with biryani. So good. Okay, so I'm going to give it a good mix. Okay, so now I'm going to add the final touch, 2 teaspoons of rose water for the smell only. It's optional. If you don't like the smell of rose water, you can skip this. Another 5 minutes, cover it, and then I'm gonna serve it on a dish. All right, so here we are. Beef biryani is ready, and it tastes so good. How do you like it, guys?
It's good. Super good and awesome. It's beyond awesome. My mom can turn a simple piece of food into an excellent dish.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. What about you, Afshin? Did you like it?
Yeah, my mom is a great cook.
Is it really hot and spicy?
No.
Can you accept this much hotness? Okay, good. She can. Okay, tell me, let me tell you the truth. It's not really so super hot, but it is spicy, definitely. It tastes super good. I hope you will like it. Thank you so much for watching our videos. And please subscribe our channel and share our videos so that other people can see how we cook. This is my own personal recipe. Try it this way and let us know how did it go. Thank you so much.